I'm 24 years old from Anambra State, but for this pageant, I'm representing Lagos State. I'm a graduate of the University of Lagos, where I studied insurance. Thank you.
Wow. For this pageant, you're representing the state you're not from.
Yes.
But for this pageant, how old are you?
I'm 24 years old.
Without the pageant, how old are you?
I'm still 24 years old, I wouldn't lie. No, 24 years old, 1991. My strength would be my self-confidence. I mean, that is just basically all you need, because there are a lot of girls, a lot of pretty girls here who are really smart, and so all you need is that self-confidence to understand that, look, you can do better. So I would say my strength is my self-confidence and my wonderful personality. Those have really helped me come this far. Basically, one use as a platform to help people, portray a very positive impact on people. And also my project is going to be directed to kids projected to or subjected to child labor. We need to send them to school. I mean, it's really terrible out there. Some days ago, we were going to Eco Hotel and I saw this little boy, very little, probably about 8 years or 9 or 10. I mean, at that age, I wasn't even doing anything that strenuous. So I would really want to help those kids, send them to school. And yes, and do a lot more. I mean, there's a lot more I would really want to do, but that's basically that's the agenda. That's what I want to do.
My name is Paula Nkuma, and I'm one of the contestants for Miss Nigeria 2015. And I'm representing Benue State. The interesting parts are the fun times when some funny ladies will come to make us feel comfortable. They tell us to do one or two things together. So that's very funful. And then I made new friends.
Challenging part.
Oh, okay. Challenging part was my sleeping time. We don't get sleep on time, and we make a lot of effort. We do intensive trainings, which are part of the experience, and it's okay, but they are really challenging like that. I'm looking at giving charity for those who are internally displaced. Yes, this is why I want to do that, is because I've noticed that the risk of those kids getting trafficked is high. When you're internally displaced and people just walk up to you and you don't have option than to follow them. So I'm trying to fight against child trafficking in the IDP camp.
My name is Nama Ahize, representing Imo State. I'm 22 years old. Currently go to school for radiology technology in New York City, but of course I live here as well. So I have quite a few projects I want to pursue, but most directly I was thinking in the line of malaria. It's really common. It's a common disease that people get every day, but you'll be shocked how many people it actually kills. If I do win this competition, I want to stand as a role model to help the less privileged that are going through the struggles of malaria and dying every day. I want to open up organizations that give people the proper care in order to prevent getting the disease, like as little as mosquito nets, those burning coils that actually kill the mosquitoes before they bite them. I want to supply less privileged people with those kind of equipment, and if they do get malaria, I want to provide a service that could treat them for free.
My name is Onyechi Eze. I'm from Abia State, but I'm representing Bauchi State. It's fun hanging around the same kind of girls, you understand? But on the other hand, the challenge is the fact that it's a competition and there can only be one winner. So that's where the real deal comes. Okay, before I actually came from Miss Nigeria, I've been bothered about the situation in the country, which is Boko Haram. It's something that's affecting pretty much everybody, because we have families and friends or somebody we know or somebody that knows somebody we know in some of these affected areas. So I decided to give a helping hand, be interested in the welfare and health of the internally displaced persons. They did not choose to find themselves in those situations. So it's only needful that we stretch out our helping hands to show that they are not left out. We also care.
I'm representing Ondo State. I'm a graduate of Covenant University. I studied economics, and my hobbies are dancing, traveling, and fashion designing. Thank you.
Hello, Vivian Chukudabel. I'm from Anambra State, and I represent Abuja. The most interesting part of the whole thing is the training we got from the BOI, that's the Bank of Industry. And the most challenging part is knowing you have competitors and knowing you have something you're going for. I'm a student of the University of Benin. I study pure and applied chemistry. I'm in my third year in school now. And I enjoy acting, though it's not professional yet. And I just enjoy helping people the little way I can. I hope to be a philanthropist one day. If by God's grace I get to be the Miss Nigeria tomorrow, I would want to inculcate in young girls. I would want to let them understand what it means to be a girl. You know, a child girl is like, I don't know how to explain, a child girl is a gift, but people don't know, they don't appreciate a girl child, you understand? So a girl should know what she stands for, you understand? She should know what she stands for, she should know she shouldn't be intimidated no matter what, she should know her values. So I will try to tell our young girls out there to be bold, they should be rising stars, you understand? Yeah.